Hello, YouTube. Y'all ever wonder why they put a spent cartridge in a sealed envelope with new pistol purchases? It comes in an envelope like this. I opened mine up a while ago. I wanted to see where the firing pin hit on it, just curious. But anyway, on that envelope, it's got a lot of information. It's got the manufacturer, the serial number of the weapon, the date it was fired, and who fired it and who put it in this sealed envelope. It's got their signature and printed name, caliber, and if it was a pistol or what, model number, how many grooves, if it was right or left hand twist, and how many turns per inch. So that's a lot of information on that envelope. And what I'm getting at, okay, Maryland and state of New York require that the dealer send in that envelope to their crime lab, and that's so they can get, I guess, firing pin signatures off the spent cartridge, and they register it with that weapon in that state. So if a gun's involved in a crime, they can check, and if they find a spent cartridge, they can check to see, I guess, what gun it was fired from. I don't know if they can track down the purchaser or not, but maybe you guys might know that. But I got a few questions I'm trying to get some answers to. Maybe you guys might know. So some people were telling me they bought brand new pistols and didn't have a sealed cartridge or sealed spent cartridge in a sealed envelope with their pistol they bought. And Ruger says they put one in every weapon just so they won't get the gun dealer caught up in some kind of legal snag. So they just go ahead and send one with every pistol. And plus it reassures the purchaser that their gun was actually test fired, which I think is all right. As long as the dealer gives you, and if you don't live in New York or Maryland, as long as the dealer gives you back the pistol cartridge like they do here in my state. But now I heard some people say that they don't live in New York or Maryland, and they bought brand new pistols, and they didn't have a spent cartridge in the sealed envelope. So I was kind of curious about that. Does that mean that the manufacturer didn't send one because the gun was not being shipped to Maryland or New York? I don't know. Does that mean the dealer took it out and kept it for some reason? I don't know. But a dealer shouldn't be keeping around in a state where they don't have to have, where it's not legally required. Because that's a lot of information for them to hold on to, I think. Not that it's anything illegal probably, but it's just kind of, I don't know. Why hold on to the information when you don't have to? Of course, they might not be doing that at all. They may have not, the manufacturer may not have shipped one with it. I don't know. Just curious. And another thing I found out, I was in a gun forum. I can't remember what manufacturers they were. I think SIG was one. There was a couple, I can't remember. But they were pretty common, big time brands, pistol brands. And they said they would for a fee of like anywhere between $10 and $35, they would send, or they would have, I don't know how they went about doing it, but they would send you a spent cartridge in a sealed envelope. And that's kind of crazy, ain't it? Why would somebody really want one? But then again, I found out someone said because in some states, well, only two states, Maryland and New York, if you go to trade in a weapon, say you want to trade one into a firearm dealer and get another pistol or whatever you want to do, or just sell it to a dealer, they have to have that test fire cartridge before they can resell it, and it has to be registered with the crime lab in that state. So I guess that's where the fee comes in about having a test fire cartridge made. I don't know. If you got any information on that, I'd like to know that. But there's so many gun laws, man. It's crazy. I just wish they would come with. I know each state has the right to control their guns, and the Constitution gives everybody the right to bear arms. And anything not specified in the Constitution about bearing the arms, the states can control, which, they do. A lot of states have a lot of rules. Even towns and cities have their own laws, which they need to figure out some way to make it unified, at least through the states, as far as, but I don't know how they're going to do that. That's a whole nother video. But anyway, I'm just curious about what you guys know about, well, the spent cartridge, the fee to get one, if they have to have one to resell the weapon if they're a dealer, which they probably do, I'm pretty sure. I don't think a private citizen, a non-dealer, a non-licensed dealer, I don't think you have to have the spent cartridge. Maybe you do. I don't know. I don't live in New York. I don't live in Maryland, so I don't follow their gun laws. I live in a state where the gun laws are real lenient. Thank God. I live in 40 miles from West Virginia, and they just passed a law that all legal gun owners can carry a concealed weapon without a permit. And a lot of people's like, man, that's crazy. And it's not really, because the government in West Virginia, the West Virginia Senate, Congress, the reason behind this was the criminal's going to carry a concealed weapon no matter what. They're not going to get a permit. They're going to be carrying it anyway. So why not let the law-abiding citizen carry a concealed weapon legally? I mean, as long as you're not a convicted felon or a criminal, I don't see why you shouldn't be able to carry a concealed weapon if you want to. But that's just my take. Anyway, if you guys got any information on that, on this envelope, there's a lot of stuff. I mean, do they send them with all pistols made? And do the dealers keep these when they don't have to keep them in states other than the other 48 states? If it's not in the gun, if it's not in the gun case when you buy it, where is it? Do they not make, that's all I want to know. And also in New York and Maryland, if you're a dealer, and there's not a spent cartridge, do you have to get one made? I heard you do, and I heard it's anywhere between $10 and $35. I'd like to know if you got any information on it. Thanks for watching.